Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for CRM and project management, Bitrix24 is a powerful tool that can help you streamline workflows, manage clients, and boost team collaboration. Today, we'll go over how to use Bitrix24 effectively for both CRM and project management. Let's get started. Setting up your CRM. Bitrix24 lets you store and manage customer data, track interactions, and automate sales pipelines. You can add leads manually or import them from external sources, keeping all client details in one place. Managing projects and tasks. With Bitrix24's project management tools, you can create tasks, assign team members, and set deadlines. Use Gantt charts and Kanban boards to visualize progress and ensure projects stay on track. Automating workflows. Save time by automating repetitive processes. Set up automatic follow-ups, reminders, and notifications to keep your team organized and improve efficiency. Enhancing team collaboration. Bitrix24 includes built-in communication tools like group chats, video calls, and activity streams, making it easy for teams to collaborate in real time. Tracking performance and reports. Use dashboards and reports to monitor project performance and sales progress. Customizable analytics help you make data-driven decisions and optimize your workflow. Bitrix24 is a game changer for businesses looking to integrate CRM and project management in one platform. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity tips. See you in the next one.